So in this video, I'm building a $12,000 sliding barn door for the inside of a client's home made from black walnut and recycled skateboards. What you see me doing here is laminating 2 sheets of plywood to give it the core. And then after that, because plywood is only 8 feet long, I had to add a 6-inch section on each piece to make it 8.5 feet. And then I'm adding a walnut veneer on the top. I say it's a veneer, but it's really more like a 1/4-inch layer of walnut on each side of the door. After that, I began working on the recycled skateboard inlays. So first, I prepped and milled all my skateboards into veneer pieces, and then I glued them down into the shape of the inlays. After that, we carved the recesses into the door with a CNC machine, and then we carved out the inlays with the CNC. Once I got the inlays in the door, it was time to flatten both sides. Once we got both sides of each half of the door flattened, it was time to sand to finish and add the finish. And for this project, I chose Odie's oil to use as a finish. This is a great finish, it's a natural finish, it smells wonderful, it feels great, and it does the job splendidly. Because of the weight of it, which is a little over 450 pounds, we had to bring it up in 2 separate halves to the client's home and then glue it together and finish it on site. It was the first time I'd ever had to do that for an installation, but it worked out great. Just because of the sheer size of this project, there was many challenges that presented themselves along the way, but we figured them all out. And in the end, I'm really stoked on how this project turned out. I learned a lot in the process.